So I just spent the last hour using Claude to build an entire affiliate marketing business from scratch, and it's absolutely crazy what this tool can do. By combining Claude with an AI agent, I built a full affiliate marketing website with Pinterest content, an email marketing system, even the email marketing content itself. And so in this video, I'm gonna walk you through and show you some real examples of people making money with stuff like this. Plus, I'll give you the prompts and the tools that you need to try it for yourself. And by the end of this video, you can decide if this is worth doing for yourself. Now, if you don't already know what affiliate marketing is, at the most basic level, affiliate marketing is just when you promote somebody else's product or service online and you earn a commission whenever somebody buys through your link. That's it. And so obviously we need to first decide on a product to promote, but then we need a way to actually promote that product, right? And I'll show you exactly how to do both of those things in this video. Now, before we can actually begin building this, I want to really quickly head over to Pinterest and show you some examples of people who are doing exactly this right now. So I typed in kitchen gadgets into Pinterest as an example, and if you scroll through this, you'll notice something really interesting. A lot of these pins aren't actually trying to directly sell you something. They're designed to get you curious enough to click on the pin. And so, for example, this one right here says 45 genius Amazon kitchen finds you'll wish you had sooner. And when I click on it, it brings me over to this kind of blog style website filled with different kitchen gadgets. Now, at first glance, this just looks like a normal article, right? But if you look closely, almost every single one of these products has an affiliate link attached to it. And so, for example, if somebody clicks on this link right here, which brings them to Amazon, and then they buy this product on Amazon, the owner of this website earns a commission from that sale. And this is happening all over the internet right now in thousands of different niches. And the crazy part is that Pinterest is only one marketing channel. You could be posting on places like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. But the reason I'm showing you this with Pinterest is because most people think that affiliate marketing is some crazy complicated business, when in reality, a lot of it is just about creating content, getting attention, and sending people to products. And in my opinion, Pinterest is one of the easiest places to start, and people actually go there to search for stuff like this anyway. Now, to get started, the very first thing we need is a niche and some products to promote. Now, I like starting with niches that already have three things: people actively buying products in that niche, a lot of visual content online, and ideally products that solve obvious problems. And so think of things like kitchen gadgets or home decor, fitness, coffee, tech, productivity, even something like camping, right? These niches tend to work really well for this style of affiliate marketing. And a really good way to backtest if a niche is worth it is if you go to Amazon.com and then click up here on all and then best sellers. Many, if not most, of these categories on the side over here are going to make for great affiliate marketing niches. So for example, if we click on kitchen and dining, you'll see a big list of all the best-selling kitchen and dining products. These will give you some examples of what people are actively buying so that you know what products to be promoting. Now, for the affiliate marketing business that we're building in today's video, I'm gonna stick with the kitchen gadgets niche since we already looked at it on Pinterest earlier. And this is where we can start using Claude. So inside Claude, I'm gonna give it a prompt asking it to help me brainstorm affiliate marketing angles with Pinterest content ideas and product ideas that people in this niche would actually buy. So I'll paste in this prompt right here, and I'll leave a link to this prompt down below so that you can use it for yourself. Just replace my niche with your niche, obviously. But after pasting in that prompt, you can see that within a few seconds, Claude starts giving us a complete breakdown of the business strategy. So essentially what we need is an affiliate marketing website, we knew that, a way to capture emails, and Pinterest content that gets people to click. And the crazy part is that we can build all of that stuff with AI. So the first thing that we need to do is build the actual affiliate marketing website so that we have a consistent place to send people, because this is actually one of the biggest mistakes that beginners make with affiliate marketing. A lot of people just throw affiliate links directly onto social media and hope that somebody buys something. And that can work, but usually it's much smarter to send people to some type of website or landing page first, where you can showcase the products, build trust, and also capture emails so that you can build an audience long term. So to build the actual website, we're gonna use this AI tool called Genspark, which actually just reached $250 million ARR in just 12 months, which is insane. And what's really cool about Genspark is that it's basically an all-in-one AI workspace where we can actually use Claude directly inside of it, but it also gives us access to all of these other AI agents and tools for building things visually, which we'll definitely need this once we start designing our Pinterest pins. But as you can see, there's AI agents for website building, image generation, coding tools, research tools, all inside of one place. And so instead of chatting with Claude in a normal chat window, we can actually use Claude inside of this more interactive workspace. And so I'm gonna leave a link to Genspark down below. With that link, you can sign up and get some free credits. New users can try features like slides for free. So once you're logged in, you'll be brought over here to a dashboard that looks like this. Now for this example, we're gonna use Genspark's coding tool to build a simple affiliate marketing website for our kitchen gadget niche. So I'll click on code and then choose simple website or web app and start building. So for this example, I'm gonna use a prompt like this right here. Build me a clean, modern affiliate marketing website in the kitchen gadget niche. I want a homepage with a featured hero section, a grid of trending kitchen gadgets, individual product sections with Amazon affiliate call to action buttons, an email capture section for a free kitchen gadget guide, and a modern Pinterest-friendly aesthetic. Make it mobile responsive and visually clean. And again, I'll leave all of these prompts listed down below. So even if you have zero coding experience, you can still follow along with this and just copy and paste them yourself. Now, once I hit enter, it immediately starts planning out the website structure for us, which is really cool. You can actually see it thinking through the structure over here in real time before it even starts building. And this is where Genspark becomes really useful, because instead of just giving us code in a normal chat window, it's actually building and previewing the website for us in real time over here on the right side. And so it's literally, writing the code, it's structuring the layout and previewing everything live as it goes. And it's honestly kind of wild how fast this happens, because remember, we're not manually coding any of this ourselves. You can see I'm just sitting here watching it build this thing for us, and this is all happening through prompts. Now, this usually takes a couple of minutes depending on how complex your website is, but once it finishes, you'll see the full website appear over here in the preview window. And this honestly is looking insane. Remember, all of this literally came from that one single prompt that we wrote. A couple of years ago, building something like this would have taken easily days, if not weeks. But as I scroll through this, you can see it's already created the hero section, product showcase sections. We got the buttons for affiliate links. We've even got an email capture section so that we can start building an email list. Now, if there's anything that you want to change or that you don't like about the website, one thing I really like about this workflow is all you have to do is just ask. So for example, if I want the website to look more minimal, or change the colors, or add another section, or redesign the layout, or add animations, whatever you want, all you have to do is just type it in the chat right here and it'll update the website for you automatically. Also, one thing I really like about this is that it does automatically optimize everything for mobile. So if I switch over to the mobile preview right here, you can see that it kind of reformats everything automatically for smaller screen, which is really important because most people are probably going to be viewing this stuff from their phone anyway. Okay, so once you're happy with how the website looks, all you have to do is just click publish right here. Now you can either use a temporary Genspark domain, or you can connect your own custom domain if you want to look more professional, which I would recommend. And the nice part is that Genspark handles most of the technical setup for you anyways. And so again, we're not actually having to mess around with any code or complicated hosting stuff. Now, at this point, we could technically start adding affiliate links and driving traffic to this website from Pinterest. But there is one more thing that I want to add first that I think is going to make this whole strategy way more powerful long term. And that is creating an email capture. Because one of the biggest mistakes that people make with affiliate marketing, like I mentioned earlier, is relying completely on social media traffic, right? Maybe Pinterest changes the algorithm and all of a sudden you start getting less traffic to your website. And as a result, your affiliate revenue starts going down. Or maybe your TikTok views drop. Or maybe an account gets banned. That kind of stuff happens all the time. But if you're collecting emails, then you actually own that audience. And so what we're gonna do is have Genspark add an email capture section where people can enter their email in exchange for some type of like free lead magnet. And honestly, this can be something really simple. Like for this niche in this video, it could be something like 10 kitchen gadgets that save you 10 hours every week, or 25 Amazon finds under $25, right? Something that's easy to consume and gives people immediate value. And this is another area where Genspark becomes really useful because instead of having to manually create the lead magnets ourselves, we can actually use their AI docs and deep research tools to help generate the content. So for example, I could ask it to research trending kitchen gadgets people are buying right now, organize them into categories, and turn everything into a downloadable PDF guide automatically. Then from there, we can just have Genspark add the actual sign up section directly onto the website. And so I'll come in here and type something like add a modern email capture section offering a free PDF guide called 25 Genius Kitchen Gadgets Under $25. Include a strong call to action, clean design, and an email sign up form. And after a few seconds, you can see it automatically updates the website and adds the entire section for us. Now, once somebody actually joins our email list, we obviously need some type of email to send them, right? And honestly, this is another area where AI saves a ridiculous amount of time because instead of having to manually sit here and try to come up with marketing emails for yourself, Genspark can help generate the email content for you. So what you would do is you would open a new chat window and you would just type in a prompt like this right here, and it would begin developing the actual email marketing content itself. You could even take it a step further if you wanted to and use Genspark's AI slides feature right here to create things like downloadable buying guides or product comparison decks or like visual lead magnets. Now, obviously none of this matters if we don't actually have people visiting the website though, okay? And this is where Pinterest comes back into the picture. Because remember, right, the whole entire strategy here is that people see a pin on Pinterest, they then get curious enough to click on that pin, which then brings them to your website. And then from there, they can either click on one of your affiliate links or they can join your email newsletter. Now, normally creating Pinterest content would mean sitting in Canva for hours trying to come up with ideas for yourself. But now we can have Genspark generate the actual visuals for us. And so inside of Genspark, I'm gonna open up a new chat and use a prompt like this one right here. It says, create 10 highly clickable Pinterest pin concepts for my kitchen gadget affiliate marketing website. Give me curiosity-driven headlines inspired by viral Pinterest content, along with matching visual concepts and layouts. And within a few seconds, it starts generating all kinds of different Pinterest ideas for us. And you can see here all of the different things that it came up with. And honestly, these are exactly the types of headlines that get people curious enough to click. Now, from here, we can actually have Genspark generate the Pinterest graphics themselves. So I'm just gonna ask it to turn these concepts into actual Pinterest pins that will visually look good and get people to click. And after a minute or so, you can see that it starts generating all of these Pinterest graphics for us automatically. And honestly, in my opinion, these look incredible. Like if you saw these pins on Pinterest, you wouldn't even realize that AI made them. It's wild how far we've come. And then from here, all we really have to do is just upload these to Pinterest, link them back to our website, and now we officially have traffic flowing into our affiliate marketing funnel from Pinterest. And one thing that actually is really cool that I want to show you really quick is that we can use Genspark's AI Sheets tool to track things like which pins are getting the most clicks, which products convert the best, or which niches are performing the strongest over time. And so instead of having to guess what's working, we can actually use real data. And the cool thing about this is once you build the system the first time, you can just start repeating the process across all different kinds of niches to further expand your reach. I mean, you could do like coffee related products or fitness or camping gear or tech gadgets would be pretty big, right? Or home decor, pretty much anything where people are already actively buying products online. Because once you build the funnel once, you could eventually just automate huge parts of the entire process. Like you could have AI agents researching trending products for you, generating new Pinterest content, updating your website or building a new website, writing new marketing emails, all kinds of different stuff. And that's where things really start getting interesting. Now, if you want to try this stuff for yourself, I'll leave a link to all the tools and prompts that I use down below in the description. But hopefully this video at least showed you what's actually possible now with AI. And honestly, this is just the beginning because these types of tools are only going to be getting better from here. Like even just a year ago, things weren't as advanced as they are now. Like these tools just keep getting better at a faster rate. And I genuinely think that the people who are learning this stuff early are going to be so grateful that they did years from now. Hey, let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, or honestly, just leave a comment if you plan on trying something like this for yourself. Just put it out there into the world that you're gonna do it. But yeah, that's about it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for being here as always, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care.